Hey,
So last week you decided on the interior design, right? Did you bring the deposit?
actually I didn't bring the deposit because actually I went to quite a few interior design firms. There I find your price a little bit steep But I like you so if can right, how about you give me 5% more discount?
But you should tell me why I should give you discount.
You should give me discount because you are A B C D E F G H I J K L.
What's that?
It means you are adorable, beautiful, cute, delightful, enchanting, foxy, gorgeous, hot.
How about IJKL?
I'm just kidding lah.
Why go through the fatal mistake of getting the wrong interior designer when you can get greater deals when you visit
Best of the Best Carnival 2018 on the 5th and the 6th of May at HipFan, happening at the Cathay, 11 AM to 8 PM. Bringing you the best in the industry, 3D innovations, Matrix Interior, the Interior Lab, Fine Line Design, In Interior, Dots and Tots Interior, Visionary Interior, Inspire ID Studio, Exquisite Interior, and Next Door ID. 100 goodie bags are to be given away and many lucky draws for you to win. Also, in collaboration with Grab, there are 200 promo codes for you to get a $5 off for you to get here. So what are you waiting for? Be the best at the best of the best Interior Design Carnival 2018. See you guys there.